This is from Odisha that we are learning. This is breaking news coming in. Several people feared dead in a rock collapse in Odisha stone quarry. So far, 2 bodies have been recovered from the debris, is what we are learning about. Official sources, in fact, said that Dhenkanal District Mining Office had earlier issued a closure directive to the leaseholder on September 8, 2025, citing the absence of blasting approval. And despite this, blasting reportedly continued at the site in violation of the regulations. The district mining officer and the concerned leaseholder could not be reached for comment, but this is a tragic occurrence that's taken place at this mining quarry. We have a reaction, in fact, that's coming in at this given point. Let's listen in to the first responders from the very spot to understand what went about.
दो चार आदमी पत्थर के फंस गया। इसमें पत्थर का आकार बहुत बड़ा है, उसको निकालने के तब बहुत कष्ट होता रहा है। इसीलिए हमारा बड़ा बड़ा मशीन लगता है, वो मशीन उनको साइड करते थे, हम वही मानव को रेस्क्यू करने के सफल होता है। हर एक आदमी डाउट करता है इसको हम कितने आदमी से भ्रष्ट किया, वो आदमी रह गया है, वो इसीलिए हमें डाउट है। हम फायर से 2 टीम खजुरिया कटा इंदौर से आया, एक डॉग स्क्वाड आया और बड़ा बड़ा अफसर हमें आ रहा है।
So we have Anupam Mishra joining us on the broadcast right now to give us details of what has gone about and how are the rescue operations currently being carried out. Anupam, a very good afternoon to you. Let's understand this particular rock collapse that's happened. What exactly seems to be the situation so far? There's 2 bodies that's been recovered. What are you learning on that very front?
Well, rescue operations are ongoing at present. An incident happened last night, and after that, the area has been cordoned off by the administration. Disaster management team, police, and fire tenders are there, and they are trying to rescue a few people feared trapped inside that quarry. And so far, 2 persons have been found to be dead, and they're trying to identify these persons. The bodies have been recovered so far. And this mine was illegal, declared illegal in September. And despite declaring it illegal, they have carried out the operations. And last night, a blast occurred, and big boulders had come out from that mine. And several people are feared trapped, but we are yet to know the numbers of the persons trapped inside. The area has been cordoned off. No one from the media or other people are being allowed inside the operating area. So we are trying to rescue people who are fear trapped, but so far 2 people are dead.
So the rescue operations are currently underway, Anupam. That's what we are given to understand. Thank you for bringing us all those details.